Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the best action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SJCAM Flagship SJ11 Active Camera. The SJ11 has a Sony sensor 4K 30 FPS high-quality resolution, making the picture quality more detailed and realistic. Larger angle, wider perspective. Take a larger angle picture than you can imagine, and include as much as possible of what you can see. Anti-shake correction technology using 6-axis gyroscope, intelligent shake compensation algorithm (LT) is not possible to correct offset and shake. It can be used when shooting with large shake such as riding. Turn on image stabilization to make the shooting smooth and smooth. Built-in pre-recording function. Different video resolutions correspond to different pre-recording durations. You can choose the appropriate duration according to your needs. Battery life is more convenient. According to laboratory tests, one battery can be used for 90 minutes. Number 2. CERASTES 4K 60 FPS Action Camera. It's smaller than a business card and weighs only 75 g, small enough to put into the pocket without feeling. Can shoot 4K ultra-clear video and support 1080p/60 frame high frame rate shooting. The picture is clear and smooth, bringing you a visual feast. Equipped with high-definition sensor, 170 degrees long wide-angle 6-glass high-definition optical glass lens, f2.4 large aperture, all the beautiful scenery. Bare machine waterproof. Without waterproof shell, bare machine can reach IP68 waterproof level. It has the functions of anti-falling, dustproof and shockproof, surfing, riding, mountaineering and rock climbing. It can be used normally in 10 degrees Celsius low temperature environment. Equipped with 1050 mAh lithium polymer battery, IT can record 4K/60 FPS video for a long time compared with all previous models. The capacitance is greatly improved. Number 3. GoPro Hero 5 Black Sports Camera. Capture different with Hero 5 Black. Share immersive 4K perspectives that make you feel like you're there. Hero 5 Black makes it easy with its one-button simplicity, convenient touch display and ready-to-go waterproof design. Smooth, stabilized video, crystal-clear audio, and pro-quality photo capture combine with voice control and GPS to make Hero 5 Black the most impressive GoPro ever. And when it's time to edit and share, Hero 5 Black automatically uploads footage to your GoPro Plus cloud account to provide easy access on any device. Then, create amazing videos automatically with Quick, the GoPro mobile editing app. Your life as you've never seen it. Hero 5 Black. Number 4. SJCAM C200 4K HD Action Camera. This travel vlog camera is equipped with super smooth 6-axis gyro stabilizer EIS 2.0. It enables enhanced steady and smooth recordings up to 4K/24 FPS resolution no matter how intense the movement is. Despite its metal body, the C200 is 25% lighter than most traditional action cameras. So you can easily put it in your pocket or attach it to your collar without it weighing you down. Despite its compact size, this power-saving sports camera has a 1200 mAh battery that can easily record up to 150 minutes in HD. With an IPX8 waterproof rating, this sports camera can withstand depths of up to 5 meters without a protective case and up to 40 meters underwater with the included waterproof housing. Perfect for water sports, swimming, diving, snorkeling, surfing, and skiing. Equipped with a 16 MP and 154 degrees super wide-angle lens, this camera offers a broader perspective and features face detection. Capture stunning photos and easily switch between different aspect ratios, 16:9 or 9:16, for versatile shots. The 1.28-inch high-definition IPS display enhances the viewing experience. Number 5. SJCAM SJ20 Action Camera. With a built-in battery, external battery, and the rechargeable camera grip, SJ20 dual lens provides us with the ability to shoot for up to 8 hours without recharging, keeping them away from anxiety. Giving an extra 1.3 screen at the front, the SJ20 dual lens allows you to monitor your framing and composition on the spot or capture the perfect shot in dynamic and fast-paced environments. Whether engaged in adventure sports, vlogging, or capturing unique perspectives, it empowers users with increased control, versatility, and an overall more immersive and efficient shooting experience. With a customized protective frame, You can take the SJ20 dual lens with you for a swim to 16 feet of depth, and dive even deeper as 130 feet with the SJCAM waterproof case to explore the exciting underwater world.